Oh, a little.
There we go.
Po.
Ano pangalan mo?
My name is Harley Custodio po.
We're all so proud of you. That was a great performance. I don't know what I was waiting for. Sige, malapit na malapit na. At yung ending medyo was a little bit shaky for me, but that doesn't matter. Just keep doing it. Don't stop doing it because of this. Okay?
Rhythmically, tama eh. Sa akin lang, it's some parts, you have to put a little more parang under it para you're singing it more. Rather than parang almost parang binibigkas mo eh.
Ngayon, pag pinapanood kita, yung sobrang sweet mo. Yun yung parang hinahanap ko kanina dun sa performance mo. Na parang, sana lagyan pa niya ng konting sweetness. Kasi parang feeling ko masyado mong iniisip na ang dami mong salitang parang feeling ko mas nag-iisip ka kaysa dapat dinadama mo yung kanta. So, just always practice, be ready, hone your craft para pag dumating na yung perfect time na yun na. Okay, congratulations pa rin.